In this video, I'll show you how to install ink cartridges in the Canon Pixma TS4150i printer. The first thing you need to do is come to either the left or right side of the printer, and you'll see this handle. We're going to lift this so we can access the ink trays. So lift it like this, and you'll see that this white latch holds it in place. Making sure the printer is turned on, because if not, the ink trays will just stay over to the right here and you'll not be able to install the cartridges, so make sure it's turned on. The next thing you need to do is flip up these two blue holders. So place your thumb and your index finger like this and flip them up. After that, get your ink, making sure any orange plastic is removed off it. We'll do the color one first, that goes on the left. So using your thumb and index finger, place it at a downward angle in the slot, and then it should fall flat once it's in correctly. We'll do the same with the black ink cartridge. So with your thumb and index finger, hold it like this and place it at a downward angle, and then you'll see that it falls flat into place. So to secure it, simply flip down the two blue latches, and now we're going to close the lid. So you can see you have the scanner lid here, and then there is an indent. We're going to lift this up to close the lid. So lift it up, and then this latch becomes undone and you can close it like this. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.